Oh, that's good. Good hint, Annabelle. Backward pedaling on a bicycle.
You're pedaling forwards.
Something you do all the
Oh.
time, I'm
You're
sure.
right.
That's forwards.
Annabelle, you're going forwards. It's backwards. Up and round towards you. That's it.
Really? That doesn't feel right.
You're trying too hard. You just bring your arm round. That's it. Just let
If you
it
try
go
to
quite
start with the
gently.
bell, if you try to start with the bell a little bit back, then the clapper will be back here, and then it'll, when you do that, it will move, go forward. Yeah, that's nice.
Do you want to have a go at a bit of the
Let's have a go.
song? You've got the notes written out
Okay,
there
I'll
over
do
the words. So start with your left hand.
Let's start with
G.
Okay.
Oh, that's easy.
Oh, so we're going up. Right, okay.
So, and then
Got you,
it's
got
C.
you.
So it's
So you're G, A,
He's
B.
cheating here.
No, I'm putting in the effort.
now what you have to do, you have to put the G down
Yeah.
when you ring that.
Oh,
And then
that's
it's
the
the D.
D.
So you put the
Just a
each
clue,
note down
Elvis
to
does sing it very
reassure you.
slowly. Slowly and mournfully, or cheerfully, I
That's
don't know
it.
what it is.
No,
Oh, yeah.
But
it's,
mournfully.
now the trick is
To cross hands.
there's another way you can do it. You can swap hands, so you can go G, C, and you can either dump this on the table, you can dump it on yourself.
music.
And then if you swap hands, then you've got the right hand for D, A, D.
This may this may
going for his
demand
lesson,
more than.
We'll give Annabelle a lesson as well.
Now swap hands. Swap hands. That's it. Put that down. E. That's it.
Hey.
Hey! You get a certificate.
I didn't do my swap there.
And that was all we were going to make you do.
Great, that'll be
Wow.
great. I'm going to come back and practice some more in a minute, so I've
You
got to
can
go.
let